The Huracan roller coaster at Bellewaerde Park is an exciting indoor coaster built by the German manufacturer Zierer. The ride races through a mysterious temple setting, a real highlight for anyone who loves fast and unexpected rides. Dive into true 3D and full VR immersion. Move your smartphone or tablet to look around. For the ultimate 3D effect, use a VR headset. Huracan in 3D. Did you know that the Huracan was opened in 2013 and is the first indoor coaster by Zierer? The ride is not only fast but also surprising, as a large part of the track takes place in the dark. Another cool detail, the coaster uses the building of the former Los Piratas dark ride attraction and has its own onboard sound system. A real thrill ride that provides an element of surprise. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this immersive video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more theme park videos. See you next time.